Welcome to the 6 Trades a Day Challenge.
But before we dive into the challenge, let's talk about who we are and what we stand for. If you've ever traded with us, you know our core belief: math makes money. That's not just a tagline, it's the foundation of everything we do. We trade with our head, not with our hearts, because emotions don't belong in disciplined trading.
Our approach is simple but powerful. Find repeatable, data-driven strategies, enhance them with AI, and validate them through rigorous testing. We backtest extensively to ensure reliability, and we forward test to compare real-world results against projections. This commitment to transparency and accountability is what sets us apart.
And based on this philosophy, we've created the 6 Trades a Day Challenge, a structured, math-driven approach designed for consistency and sustainable growth.
Our trading philosophy is built on a foundation of logic, discipline, and data-driven decision-making.
If you've ever traded with us, you know our core belief: math makes money.
This principle emphasizes that successful trading is not about emotions or about feelings, but about applying mathematical models and statistical analysis to identify opportunities.
We trade with our head, not our heart.
This ensures that every decision is grounded in rationality rather than emotional impulses, and it minimizes risk and maximizes consistency, which is critical in volatile markets.
Furthermore, we strive to find simple, repeatable strategies that can be executed reliably over time. These strategies are enhanced by AI-assisted tools, which allow us to process vast amounts of data quickly and uncover patterns that human analysis might miss. By leveraging technology, we can make smarter, faster, and more accurate trading decisions.
Our commitment to simplicity ensures that these strategies are not overly complex, and making them accessible and executable for traders at all levels.
This philosophy is not just about theory. It's about creating structured framework that delivers measurable results through disciplined execution.
Very true.
Testing is everything to us.
That is so true. A critical component of our philosophy is rigorous and extensive testing. We believe in backtesting strategies against historical data to validate their effectiveness before deploying them in live markets. Backtesting allows us to simulate how a strategy would have performed under various market conditions, providing confidence in its reliability.
However, we don't stop there. Forward testing is equally important, as it compares actual results with backtest projections in real-time environments. This dual approach ensures that not only our strategies are only theoretically sound, but also practically effective.
By continuously monitoring and refining our methods based on forward testing outcomes, we maintain a feedback loop that drives improvement and adaptability. This commitment to validation reflects our dedication to transparency and to accountability in trading. It also underscores our belief that success trading is not about luck, but it's about systematic processes that are tested, proven, and optimized over time.
Through this rigorous methodology, we aim to eliminate guesswork and provide traders with confidence in every trade they execute.
Based on our philosophy of math-driven, disciplined trading, we created the 6 Trades a Day Challenge. This challenge is designed to put our principles into action by executing 6 trades daily, each selected through data-driven analysis and AI-assisted tools. The goal is to demonstrate how consistency, simplicity, and rigorous testing can lead to sustainable growth over time. By adhering to predefined rules and leveraging advanced analytics, participants can experience firsthand the power of structured trading strategies.
The challenge isn't about chasing quick wins, but about building repeatable process that delivers long-term results.
It embodies everything we stand for: trading with logic, validating strategies through backtesting and through forward testing, and using technology to enhance decision making. Through this initiative, we aim to educate, empower, and inspire traders to adopt a disciplined approach that prioritizes data over emotion and process over impulse.
The 6 trades a day challenge is more than a program. It's a practical application of our core beliefs, offering a clear path to consistent profitability. Okay, and here we go. Let's break down the 6 trades a day challenge.
Here's what makes it unique: 6 trades every single day. Multiple entry iron condor at a $1.85 premium for every short leg, 50 wide spreads, and a strict 95% stop loss on the short leg with an OTO for the long leg. And yes, we throw in 1 extra gambler special for those who like a little risk.
And these trades aren't random. Remember, they are released every Sunday so you can plan ahead. All of this based on millions of backtests that are done weekly. This is a math-driven, disciplined trading. Our motto says it all. Math makes money.
Math makes money.
And look at these results. We love to see a chart like this with consistent profits over 2 months.
We're looking at October 1st through November 30th. That's 2 months of consistent execution. 6 trades a day, every day. These trades are based on millions of backtests we do every weekend. We look for the best premium amounts, the best times to enter, the best stop loss percentages, and the best width for each iron condor. All of these trades are simple, repeatable, data-driven, and AI-assisted. We do not leave anything to chance.
And you're right, exactly on point, Rob. These trades are created so we trade with our heads, not our hearts. The results are not hypothetical. This is a real performance data, and we wanted to see what happens when you plan the trade and you trade the plan.
That's right. Always plan the trade the plan, and just look at the results. They speak for themselves. Fan-freaking-tastic.
Let's talk numbers. Now, we started with $30,000. Today, that account sits at $37,026. That's a $7,026 profit in just 60 days. Percentage-wise, that's 23% gain in 2 months. Now, I used to be a banker, so I know the annual rate of return on that is over 258%. And no bank is going to pay you that type of return.
That's why we love this challenge. It's structured, it's repeatable, and it works.
This is what disciplined trading looks like. Math and consistency driving real results. Stick with us because we'll keep sharing the process, the wins, and the lessons. Remember, this isn't luck, it's strategy.
And the real magic is compounding. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and let the math work for you. If you want to see how we keep pushing these numbers, subscribe to our channel and follow along because we're just getting started. If you want to see more videos about AI, just put AI in the comments. If you want to see more videos about math, just put math. If you want to see more videos about the $1 Million Challenge or even the 6 trades a day, just put that down in. Let us know what you want and we'll be sure and give it to you. And you have a great trading day.